I am in a situation.
The thumbnail and the title of the video, you probably already know where this video is going. We started having some transmission issues with the truck earlier this week. It's Wednesday at the time of me recording this video for you guys. And I noticed the issue started Friday specifically. Thankfully, I didn't have to drive the truck at all Saturday, Sunday. Monday, I noticed the issue was kind of coming and going. And then Tuesday specifically, I noticed there was, a pretty bad issue. So I was like, we got to take the truck in. It is what it is. And come to find out, the transmission is actually leaking lots of transmission fluid. So for the first time ever with any vehicle that I've ever bought, pro tip, do not buy a Chevy Colorado. And if you do, get rid of it by the time it hits around 100,000 miles, because apparently this is a very common issue with Chevy Colorados. But we had to take it to a transmission shop, had to have it towed there, as a matter of fact, with how bad this issue is. And that leads me to the point of this entire video, which is, it is not a bad idea if you're first starting out your business to go ahead, and if you're not going to be getting a brand new or like new, less than 50,000 miles type of truck, to go ahead and either A, plan on getting another vehicle very soon, or B, already having one in place. Because for example, with me, my first work truck that I've had since day one is now failing us, obviously, so we're going to be getting rid of that. We don't have a choice at this. We do have a choice, but it just is the icing on the cake for me. If you've been following for a while, I've been debating getting rid of that truck anyways, but it's just the icing on the cake now that it's starting to have issues. We're going to go ahead and get the equity out of that truck, put it to work in the business. But the whole point is if it wasn't for me planning ahead already and getting that Nissan that we have, I would not be working at all for at least a week. It takes roughly 3 days is the turnover for the transmission shop we took the Colorado to, and then from there, who knows how long it's going to take to actually fix it. And a lot of people will think, well, that could be a waste of money, having another truck that you're really not using that much. Well, in my case, it worked out perfectly because we needed another truck because our family just outgrew my truck altogether. Of course, we have my wife's minivan, but we want a truck as well. And now, of course, just look at how much money that I would have lost had I not been able to run a route for, upwards of a week or so, because it sounds like it's going to be at least roughly 1 week, because it's Wednesday, Thursday that they're getting the vehicle. And of course, it's going to take time for them to figure everything out as well. So it is a nightmare, but it could be worse. I'm counting my blessings that we had a truck in place. I got everything transferred over that I needed to get transferred over. And I got my route ran today. I'm running some more stops tomorrow. And that's part of owning a business in general, not just a pest control business or any type of service business, but owning any type of business. You always have to be prepared for kind of the worst case scenario. I would rather be prepared for the worst case scenario, look at it as insurance, versus being unprepared and just totally being caught off guard and having nothing to do about it and then losing lots of money. Because if you're going to lose lots of money, of course, this could put you out of business. It's going to slow down your growth. It's going to slow down your momentum, if nothing else. And we don't want that, of course, when we're first starting and growing our business. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update because those of you in Discord saw the notes. I actually took a screenshot of the notes that the shop sent me, letting me know that, hey, this is a problem. And I wanted to give you guys that quick update. If you're new to me and just wondering who the heck is this guy, my name is Griffin Thomas. I'm the owner of the company you see here, Preferred Pest Management. We've been in business for about 3 years now, and on this channel I just document my entrepreneurial business investing journey, and I'd show you guys what works for me, what doesn't work for me, things like this, real life entrepreneurship, just like the name of our podcast, ironically. I just give you guys the good, the bad, the ugly at the end of the day of owning a business. I don't sugarcoat it. I give you guys literally like day by day, what kind of goes into owning my business and a day in my life, so to speak. So if you like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. You can check out our free Facebook groups, Discord groups. We have a website as well. Everything will be in the LinkTree down below for you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button. Lets me know you guys like all this content that we continue to publish for you guys. But until next time, guys, have a good one.